Buckle up, DIY enthusiasts and gadget aficionados. Today, we are going to review 15 of the coolest, most awesome tools on Amazon that you will actually want to have. From ingenious solutions to next-level workshop stuff, these tools are not just clever, but game changers that make any project faster, easier, and a lot more fun. Be it fixing, building, or just enjoying great gear, this list has it all. So pour yourself a cup of coffee, hit that subscribe button, and let's take a look at these must-have tools. Number 1. Cordless Belt Sander. The Proxxon BS/A cordless belt sander is compact and powerful, but designed for precision work in small or detailed areas. Given its weight of just 2 pounds, this device offers great performance with easy handling over extended use. Its head rotates up to 60 degrees with a simple push of a button, ensuring the desired flexibility in position at various sanding tasks. This sander works without noise and vibration, significantly reducing physical fatigue and supporting higher precision. Its speed is variably controlled between 200 and 700 meters per minute, enabling fast work on a wide range of materials for various applications. Apart from a built-in vacuum connection that keeps your working place clear, this set includes 1 battery and 1 charger, along with 4 sanding belts, all packed in a durable carrying case ready for any workshop task. Number 2. Boreal 21. The Agawa Boreal 21. Folding saw is the perfect tool for outdoor enthusiasts who need power and portability in one package. Designed for cutting firewood and large branches, it features a 21-inch Swedish-made blade with hardened teeth and a protective coating for long-lasting sharpness. When folded, it takes up minimal space in your backpack and unfolds in seconds. Just unfold, snap, and it's ready to use with no loose parts to worry about. Weighing only 18 ounces, it's both lightweight and durable, thanks to its anodized aluminum frame and fiberglass reinforced nylon handle that offers a secure, non-slip grip even in wet weather. With automatic blade tension, the Boreal 21 ensures perfect cutting performance every time without any manual adjustment needed. Number 3. Heated Jacket Kit. The Milwaukee M12. Heated Jacket Kit marries warmth, durability, and intelligent design for comfort in all weather conditions. Equipped with carbon fiber heating elements, it distributes consistent heat to your chest, back, and hand pockets, easily controlled with 3 adjustable heat settings at the touch of a button. Built from tough shell stretch polyester, this jacket is 5 times more durable compared to previous models, offering improved protection against wind and water. Powered by an M12 red lithium battery, it assures you of up to 8 hours of warmth with a single charge, with both the battery and charger covered. FreeFlex inserts guarantee unrestricted movement, while the multiple pockets, including a dedicated battery pocket, add to your convenience. Plus, it's machine washable and tumble dryable, making it effortless to maintain. Number 4. Brush Grubber. The Brush Grubber is a strong handheld tool designed to remove small trees, bushes, and shrubs, roots included, with ease. It can handle trunks up to 8 inches in diameter. It uses 5 large gripping teeth and a spring-loaded mechanism to hold branches or stems securely without slipping. The grippers rotate 360 degrees to protect the bark and ensure smooth operation at any pulling angle. Unlike tools that only cut vegetation, the Brush Grubber pulls the entire root system out of the ground, which stops regrowth. Made from 1.5-inch thick alloy steel, it is tough, dependable, and built for heavy use. Best of all, one person can operate it easily, making it great for solo yard work or land clearing. Number 5. E-Tape 16. The E-Tape 16. Digital tape measure brings precision and convenience to every measuring task. With its digital display, it instantly shows accurate readings with no more squinting at small divisions or having to count millimeters manually. Measuring up to 16 feet, it's perfect for both home projects and professional use. Manufactured from weather-resistant polycarbonate, it works well in rain or heat and has a bright red casing that allows clear visibility in your toolbox. The E-Tape 16 also has 3 memory modes, which help you save the measurements without writing them down. Even better, it will automatically convert between feet and meters to simplify any project that mixes units. All the controls are located on an easy-to-use side panel, offering access to every function in just a few taps. Number 6. Tying Tool. The Coutail. Tying tool is a game changer for gardeners and vineyard owners who need to tie plants quickly and efficiently. Traditional tying can be very slow and tiring, but this innovative tool lets you make up to 45 ties per minute with ease. Perfect for grapes, tomatoes, cucumbers, or any climbing plants, it uses biodegradable wire in a paper sheath, making it environmentally friendly. A single wire spool provides around 1,000 ties, each capable of supporting up to 8 kilograms. The mode of operation is simple. Attach, press, and you are good to go. Built for reliability and comfort, the Coutail tying tool will ensure that your ties are neat and secure in seconds. It even comes with a starter spool so that you can get to work right out of the box. Number 7. Nocry Gloves. The Nocry Premium Cut resistant gloves are like armor for your hands, offering unbeatable protection and comfort. Constructed with ultra-strong fibers, they're 4 times stronger than leather and 10 times stronger than steel, providing the highest level 5 cut resistance. Safe for food contact, they're perfect for kitchen use, whether you're shucking oysters, slicing vegetables, or filleting fish. The gloves are lightweight and breathable, keeping your hands cool and comfortable even during long tasks. They're also machine washable, making cleanup quick and easy. Beyond the kitchen, Nocry gloves are ideal for woodworking, metalwork, and glass handling anywhere sharp tools or materials are involved. Durable, hygienic, and flexible, these gloves deliver maximum safety without sacrificing dexterity. Number 8. Masterpiuma P3. The Monolith Masterpiuma 63. P3 is a high-performance manual tile cutter designed for precision and versatility. Capable of cutting ceramic, porcelain, and glass mosaic tiles, it's perfect for both professionals and serious DIYers. Ergonomic handle and powerful lever system for unmatched cutting efficiency and control allow you to cut tiles as long as 25 inches with ease. Built in Italy from cast aluminum and nickel-plated steel, the Masterpiuma is both durable and resistant to wear and corrosion. A titanium cutting wheel guarantees smooth cuts and clean edges, especially on problematic porcelain surfaces. Its folding design makes storage and transport simple, while the self-adjusting marking system automatically adapts to different tile thicknesses, thus saving time and ensuring a perfectly accurate cut every time. Number 9. Drain Snake. The cordless drain snake is an effective and convenient solution for the clearance of clogs without the hassle of cords or outlets. For maximum mobility, it's designed to work anywhere, from kitchen sinks to main sewer lines, and can handle pipes between 1.25 and 3 inches in diameter. An innovative cable drive system automatically feeds and retracts the cable, with no need to manually push. The fully enclosed drum keeps dirt and debris inside, allowing for a cleaner workspace. A 35-foot cable reaches deep into most household drains with ease. With an 18-volt Milwaukee battery powering it, compatible with other Milwaukee tools, it offers cordless efficiency and versatility. This is professional-grade performance with total freedom of movement for drain cleaning. Number 10. Varaible Sweeper. The Greenworks 80-volt variable speed blower is a powerful, eco-friendly solution for keeping your yard spotless. Powered by an 80-volt lithium battery, it eliminates the need for gas or tangled cords, giving you full mobility and easy operation. The brushless motor delivers long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance, while running quietly and producing 0 emissions. With adjustable airflow speed, you can tailor the power to your task use low speed for light leaves, or crank it up to tackle wet debris and stubborn branches. The kit includes 2 5-ampere-hour batteries and a dual-port quick charger, ensuring continuous operation without downtime. Efficient, quiet, and environmentally friendly, this blower makes outdoor cleanup faster and easier than ever. Number 11. Camo Drive. Change the way you install decks with the Camo Drive deck tool by working from a standing position, saving your knees and back while increasing productivity. The Camo Drive system supports 3 fastening methods: edge, clip, and surface, accepting just about every decking material available, from wood to composite, PVC, and hardwood. With Camo Drive, You can install decks up to 5 times faster than traditional methods. It attaches directly to any corded or cordless drill, turning it into a high-speed decking tool. The kit includes 3 quick change guides for easy switching between fastening types and adjustable depth control for accurate results. Its reversible handle makes operation comfortable for both left and right-handed users and produces professional quality results in speed, ease, and accuracy. Number 12. Debarker PRO. With the Hot Yell Debarker PRO log peeler, wood preparation has become easier and faster. This excellent tool for woodworking, construction, or log cabin projects provides a fast way to remove the bark from the logs and saves a lot of energy and time. The 6 ultra-sharp blades grant smooth, exact, high-speed removal of bark, making every job very neat. 2 high-performance bearings add to durability, stability, and safety during operation. Among its very significant advantages, it will be relevant to note its universality. The Debarker PRO fits most chainsaw models and instantly turns your saw into a versatile, multifunctional wood processing tool. Built for performance and longevity, it is exactly what anyone who works with raw timber on a regular basis needs. Number 13. PinDoctor. The PinDoctor from Milescraft is ideal for anyone looking for a smart and efficient method of removing or installing door hinge pins without mess or hassle. It features a clear body designed for simplicity and precision to align the solid steel striking perfectly with your door hinge. A light tap with a hammer easily loosens even stubborn pins, making their removal smooth and easy. The installation surface is flat, ensuring that you can reinsert the pins without causing scratches or damage to the metal. Constructed to last, the integrated pin transfers maximum force exactly where it is needed. The PinDoctor offers a great value for its price of $5.99, which makes hinge maintenance for professionals and DIYers alike quicker, safer, and easy. Number 14. Fix-It Sticks. The Fix-It Sticks. All-in-one torque driver kit is a compact, precision-engineered tool that puts an entire workshop in your pocket. Featuring an adjustable torque driver from 15 to 65 inch-pounds, it ensures perfect tightening every time, no more stripped screws or loose fittings. The kit includes 15 precision bits, ranging from Torx to hex and in multiple sizes, making it perfect for firearms, bicycles, and other detailed mechanical work. Its clever T-handle design converts into a full-sized wrench for added leverage and control. Every component is CNC machined, magnetized, and built for durability, all neatly organized in a durable zippered case that's easy to carry. Reliable, versatile, ultra-compact, this kit redefines portable precision. Number 15. Ladder Leveling Tool. The Pivot Ladder Tool from Provision Tools is a versatile and reliable accessory that instantly transforms any standard ladder into a stable and secure platform. Designed for professionals and DIYers alike, it serves 5 functions in one, acting as a ladder leveler, elevator, shelf, stop, and even a tool stand. Built to handle up to 500 pounds, it's stronger than most ladders themselves. The non-slip surface and rubber grips ensure maximum stability and safety on uneven ground. Perfect for use on sloped roofs or rough terrain, the Pivot Ladder Tool makes high or awkward jobs safer and easier. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to carry and install anywhere, though not recommended for metal or tile roofs. And that concludes our list of 15 cool tools on Amazon every DIYer should check out. Which one's going straight into your toolbox? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more awesome gadget finds and tool reviews headed your way.